In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Kayak. Whether you're planning your next big trip, checking out flights, or simply browsing accommodations, having the pricing in your preferred currency can offer a clearer perspective and make budgeting that much easier. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in kayak.com. Hit enter, and you'll find yourself on the home page of Kayak. As you look around, you'll notice various travel deals, flight information, and accommodation options. But today, our focus is on something a little different: changing the currency settings to your liking. To do this, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. This can typically be done using your mouse or trackpad, or even the down arrow key if that's more comfortable for you. As you reach the bottom, take a moment to look around. Here, you'll find various links and sections for general site navigation, but the one you want to keep an eye out for is related to the currency. In this section, you're looking for a link or a label that might say currency, or perhaps it'll display the currently selected currency, something like USD for US dollars. The wording might vary depending on the regional settings or site language, but it's usually fairly easy to spot. If you're having trouble finding it, a little tip is to also look near the bottom, around where other settings like language are often displayed. Once you've located this section, go ahead and click on it. A new window or drop-down menu will appear, showing a list of various currencies from around the world. This is where you have the freedom to choose which currency you'd like prices to be displayed in. Take a moment to scroll through the list and pick the one that best suits your needs. It might be euros, British pounds, Canadian dollars, or any other currency that makes financial sense for you. Once you select your preferred currency, the site will automatically adjust to reflect this change. You'll notice that the prices for flights, hotels, and other deals will now be displayed in the currency you selected, making it incredibly convenient to review and plan your travel expenses without needing to do any mental math or conversions. And just like that, with just a few simple clicks, you've customized your browsing experience to better suit your financial planning needs. Remember, these settings can always be easily changed again if you need to, whether you're looking to switch it up for a different trip or reverting back to the default for any reason. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this quick guide helps you navigate Kayak more efficiently in the future. Safe travels and happy trip planning.